Welcome back, crystal lovers. It's Heather Askinosi. And February is usually associated with the energy of love. But today I want to talk about Ocean Jasper, because the most important relationship that we have in our lives is to ourselves. And we need to make ourselves a priority. And I don't know about you guys, but sometimes if you're a mom or you are in a partnership or you're working or you have things to do, you might put other people first and other obligations first. And sometimes I find at the end of the day that all I've done is done things for other people and I haven't had the right boundaries up, and then I feel completely depleted at the end of the day. Sometimes I get resentful and I just don't feel good, but the person who put me last was me. And I think it's really about having healthy boundaries, because really the only way we can give more of ourselves is that if we nurture and we nourish ourselves. And it doesn't always mean about having to go and do something, and although it's nice to get facials or get your nails done or be able to go for a walk or even have 5 minutes to yourself where it's quiet, it's just allowing yourself that time and space to go, you know what, I need a few minutes. I need to get back in alignment with myself. I just need to get clear. I need to get out of feeling overwhelmed. I don't want to feel guilty sometimes if I feel as if I'm always giving, because that's what I have to do so that I don't feel guilt or shame or all these other feelings that we sometimes come up with when we don't feel that we deserve to give ourselves some real sacred space, some time, some quiet, and some me time. So one thing that I did with this amazing stone that I absolutely love, which is Ocean Jasper, I programmed this as this touchstone for me to remember that the more I can give to other people, the more I could help other people, the more I could help my family and my friends and loved ones, is when I have the energy and the wherewithal within myself, because I've given myself that time to nourish and to just get into alignment and to be at peace with myself. Because when I'm in that space, then I can give more and do more and be the best version of me that I possibly can be. So this is the touchstone. Ocean Jasper, just looking at it, it makes you just feel, warm inside. It makes you feel that, you know what, I deserve it. I'm worth it. I can go within, I can give myself some space and time and have healthy boundaries. And when I'm the best me, I give that forward. If you love learning about Ocean Jasper, please like, subscribe, and always remember to stay crystal clear.